After powering on, you'll see this screen. Tap the icon in the center. This opens the main interface. Tap Start Purification. First, initialize the system. Tap Start. Tap OK to begin initialization. Once initialization is complete, we can start a quick experiment. You can set the flow rate. For example, we'll set 2 milliliters per minute. Tap Confirm. Next, set the sample volume. Our sample is about 50 milliliters. After loading is complete, the system will automatically stop. It detects bubbles and stops automatically. Make sure the column always has liquid inside. Finally, tap Exit Quick Experiment. Then you can save the experiment. Tap Save.